Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ataur Rahman Khan, consultant in internal medicine. Today I want to discuss about COVID and its relationship with obesity. Obesity has fatal relationship with COVID because obese people has difficulty in breathing. They are more risk for intensive care. They are more risk for fatality. Why they have difficulty in breathing in first place? Because when they are obese, their cells are compressed by the fat cells. Respiratory mechanics are disturbed by the obesity. Diaphragm, chest cavity are compressed by the extra fat. They cannot breathe normally. They have less lung capacity. They have expiratory reserve capacity is reduced. Their ventilation perfusion ratio is decreased. Their alveolar exchange is reduced significantly. Their oxygenation is not as good as the oxygenation in the other individual. Obese people has poor immune response. Even they are vaccinated, they have poor antibody formation than the normal population. On top of this, obese people have more comorbidity such as diabetes mellitus, hypertension, heart disease, degenerative joint disease, and host of other diseases. Obese people have sleep apnea. A lot of time they have sleep apnea, at the same time they have COVID infection, which is really not helpful to speedy recovery of the patient. In my experience, I have seen a lot of obese people with COVID infection. It's difficult to treat. They need more oxygenation. They need high flow of oxygen. They need a lot of transfer to intensive care unit, and unfortunately some of the population cannot come back from the intensive care unit. It is very sad. So it's very important to know that how we can prevent obesity in first place. Mother, please breastfeed your child and educate your child what to eat in their childhood. And those who are adult, please be active. 30 minutes of brisk walking is sufficient enough to reduce weight. And also eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts, unsaturated fat, fish, which can prevent obesity. Please avoid eating processed food, which has a lot of sugar, a lot of oil, and a lot of salts, which are not good for your health. Please remember that once you get obese, you may have diabetes, hypertension, degenerative joint disease, sleep apnea, depression, and host of other diseases. Obese people are at risk for colon cancer, breast cancer, endometrial cancer. Obese people has depression, and obese people has a lot of things to deal with. Just their physical performance is less than the normal population. Therefore, it is imperative to be proactive and to follow the healthcare guidelines. To maintain normal weight, you need to be proactive. Your BMI should be 25 or less. BMI is defined as body mass index, weight in kilogram divided by height in centimeter. Height in centimeter, centimeter is converted to meter, meter square. Height in kilogram divided by meter square. Normal is 18.5 to 25. If you are in between 25 to 30, then you are overweight. From 30 and above, you are called obese. Obesity is a pandemic, and 42.5% people in the United States of America are obese. In the Europe, 35% people are obese. In Asia, 24% people are obese. Obesity is a pandemic which is going on with COVID-19, which is another pandemic. These two pandemics we have to fight together. Those who are not obese, overweight, be careful, be proactive so that you are not going to be defined or characterized by obesity criteria. Therefore, please stay away from being obese. Change your lifestyle, you will succeed. I hope this short video will help you. I am trying to explain in layman's language. Please be patient. I think that in the days to come, the video will be improved. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day.